Welcome to codersclub.in. In this program, we will see how to display the current time in the format hour, minute, and second. So this is the problem statement. Write a JavaScript program to display the current time in the format HHMMSS. That means hour, minute, and second. So I am opening the Visual Studio Code. So this is the program. I will run this program first. So this is the program current time.html. So we have a button here called as current time. So when this is clicked, we get the current time, that is 03 hours, 23 minutes and 56 seconds. So if I click this again, you please see that the second may change here. Okay, minute also has changed. So 03, 24, 07. So 03, 24, 13. That means it is taking the current time. It's printing the current time. So let us look into the program, how to implement this. So we have a HTML file here. HTML file has two parts, that is head and body. So this is the body portion. Let us look into the body portion first. And within the body portion, we have a button here called as current time. And whenever this button is clicked, we are going to a function called as do current time. So this is a JavaScript function. And we have a div here with the ID of time and the answer, whatever we want to display, that we are displaying within this div. So div is a placeholder. So next. So in this program, we have two functions actually. So the first function is do current time, and we have one more function called as get time. So the get time is responsible for getting the time in the format hour, minute, and second. So we are calling this function here get time, and it is displayed in the div. So first, let us see how this get time function works. So we are having a variable called as date. We are creating an object of date here, new of date. So JavaScript provides a cut down version of OOPS. So we have created an object of date here. And then we have declared three variables, hour, minute, and second. So how to get the hours from the date object? So we have a function called as get hours. Date dot get hours, and then convert that into a string by using a function called as toString. So the hour value will come and sit here, and sometimes this hour value may be having a single digit or a two digit. For example, if the hour value is between 1 and 9, it will be a single digit. 10, 11 means there are two digits. If it is a single digit number, we are adding a zero behind the number. That means instead of displaying 3, we are displaying it as 03. See what here we have done here, see the hour value is 3 actually. So instead of displaying 3, we are making it as 03. That's all. So that's what we are doing here. So we are checking with if the hour length is greater than 1, we are not doing anything. Otherwise, we are adding a 0 behind the number. And next, similarly, minute also we are taking it here. So minute actually it displays between 0 to 59 in JavaScript. So that's the reason why we are adding 1 to this actually. Minute 1 plus date dot get minutes toString, and then we are checking whether it is a single digit or two digit. If it is a single digit, we are adding a 0 behind the number, and then we are getting the seconds here like this, and then we are assembling it hour plus colon plus minute colon second. So this function get time is responsible for getting the time from the system and assembling it in the format of HH colon MM colon SS, that is hour, minute, and second. So here we are calling a function called as get time, which returns the time in the correct format, and that we are writing it into the div by using inner HTML. This is document.getElementById of time.innerHTML is equal to get time. So once again, I am running this program. See here. So if the video is useful, give a like to this video and subscribe to the channel codersclub.in. Thank you.